Guys, can you see the glow on my face right now? Like, this is just what you need. Notice these days I've been having a lot of under eye circles, and that is because I've been studying a lot at night time. Since there are some medications that make your skin very sensitive to the sun, and most of us don't even know this. Can you get a brighter face in 14 days? Yes, sis, you can, but not by bleaching your skin, but by safely brightening your skin. Now, I want to ask you guys a question. Put your hands up in the comment section if you have ever used any type of medication before and then you noticed that you became darker after that medication, or you fell sick, maybe you had a cold, or you had rash, or you had an infection or something like that, and then you took some medications and you noticed that your skin became darker, or you became tanned a little bit. Let me see your hands in the comment section, because girl, this was me 2 weeks ago, and that is why I have not even been consistent on YouTube, because I took a round of antibiotics, and girl, doxycycline makes the skin sensitive to the sun, because that was the antibiotics that I took and it made my skin sensitive to the sun. And it was even my friend that told me that, girl, you really look like what you're going through right now. You look sick. What is going on? And then I said, oh, I'm taking antibiotics. And during that period, I was always in the sun. Sis, there are some medications that make your skin very sensitive to the sun, and most of us don't even know this. Things like antibiotics, and even some medications that you don't even know that can do that to you. Some medications make your skin sensitive to the sun and it would make you tan. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to safely brighten up your skin, probably maybe after antibiotics, or after a period of illness and all of that stuff. I'm going to tell you how you can recover your face. That is what we're going to be doing in today's video. Nothing really serious, just simple products that I have been using that has helped me get my glow back. Now, if this video sounds like something you're interested in, of course continue to watch. Remember to give my video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Let us dive right into today's video. So first things first, I'm going to have to clip my hair to the side, because I'm going to be doing some face masks. You guys are going to see. Now, you guys, I have been doing a lot of kojic acid this period. I've been doing a lot of kojic acid, especially at night time, just so that, oh, you guys, I didn't lay my lace, I didn't lay my frontal, so in case you are seeing anything, just bear with me, okay? And this is like, I don't know, air wax or whatever. So yeah, I think this is good. Now, I have been doing a lot of kojic acid on my face. You guys, doxycycline, oh my god, it can make your skin so sensitive. So I've been doing a lot of kojic acid, twice in a week, kojic acid on my face, kojic acid bar soap, lather it up, keep it on my face for like 2 minutes, and it has really helped my complexion to come back, and I've gotten my glow back. So this is a morning routine, so I'm going to show you the things that I have been using currently. I've been using this Annual Rice plus Ceramide enzyme brightening face powder. This is a face powder, but it's actually a cleanser, but in a powder form. Now, the reason why I love this rice powder is because it contains rice extract and also rice water. Those are like traditional Korean skincare ingredients, and these ingredients helps with dull skin and helps to like even out your complexion. It also contains alpha arbutin, and that is why I've been using it this period, and it has really helped me. So I'm going to put some of the powder, just going to put some of it in a bowl right here. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. It smells like milk. You guys, I've had this since 2024, and I tend to use it occasionally. I don't use it every single time, but since I fell sick, I said I'm going to start using this again. So this contains alpha arbutin. It also contains rice extract and rice water. It is going to help with your dull complexion, even out your skin tone. This is how to safely brighten up your face whenever you fall sick and all of that stuff. I'm going to add just a little bit of water to this, just a little bit, not too much, and I'm going to stir it up with my makeup brush. So this is what I've been doing. This is what I've been using as a morning cleanser. I just wake up in the morning, put this on my face for like maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I do the dishes while this is on my face, then I take a shower and I wash it off, and I notice that it gently exfoliates my skin, and because of the alpha arbutin it contains, it has really helped me, you guys. It has helped me because I was looking like If you guys saw me that period, you guys, I was looking so terrible, and I was always going to the hospital that time, and I was always in the sun, and you guys, the sun messed me up. Sometimes even using a lot of sunscreen, sometimes sunscreen might not even save you when you are taking some medications. I'm telling you guys. So my face is already washed. I'm just going to go ahead and put this. You guys can see. Can you guys see how it looks like? I don't know if you guys can see the consistency. I'm just going to put this on my face. I think I made too much. I'm going to leave it in the fridge and use it tomorrow. Alright guys, so this is how my face looks like after 10 minutes. It is completely dried. Like my face is literally, it is completely dried on my face. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out, and we'll come back and continue our skincare routine. So guys, my face is all cleansed, all washed. You guys can see that there is a kind of like a subtle glow on my face. I don't know if you guys can see. Really beautiful. So I'm gonna go in again with my toner. Now this is the Anwar rice ceramide toner. It is just almost the same thing as the powder. This one is the toner, okay? And I have had this product since 2024 when Anwar sent them to me in PR. So this Milky Glow toner is going to add a layer of like milkiness and glowiness to my skin. This has really helped me all through the time where I wasn't feeling too well. I was always using this toner. This toner adds a layer of glowiness and milkiness to the skin. So I'm going to use my cotton pad, and I'm going to use my toner on my cotton pad. Usually I would put the toner on my hands and put it on my face, but these days I just prefer to do it this way. So I'm going to put my toner on the cotton pad like so, and then when the cotton pad is significantly wet, I'm just going to like leave it on my face. I'm going to do like use like 3 cotton pads. So I'm going to use the second one like so, just put it, and then I'm going to leave it on my cheek. And then yeah, so I'm gonna leave this toner, this pad on my face just for like a minute or two, let it soak into my skin properly, and then I would use my hands and swipe it all over my face. It's nothing really fantastic, but this is what I have been doing recently, and you guys, I've been liking it, I've been loving it. So 1 minute should be over. Yeah, so I'm gonna just use this toner all over my cheek. Next things next, I'm going to be using a face sheet, just because sometimes if you notice that your skin is dull and your skin is not glowing anymore, you have lost some of your glow. It might just be loss of hydration. Sometimes it might not just be that you really lost your glow. It might just be that your skin is not hydrated enough. So you guys can see the way I look. My skin looks really good. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. I'm going to use this face sheet on my face just to add extra moisture on my skin. Okay, so the time is currently 10:02 a.m. so it's pretty early in the morning. So this is just going to like make me start my day really well and relaxed. Woo, you guys, can you see the glow on my face right now? Like this is is just what you need if you want to, you know, brighten up your skin after 2 weeks, or brighten up your skin in 2 weeks, and you know, get back your glow after a period of illness. You guys, this is absolutely beautiful. My skin looks so plump and, you know, a little bit brighter. So the next thing I'm going to go ahead to do is to use my vitamin C serum. You guys already know the vitamin C serum I use. This one is from Vanish. Now, it is very, very important whenever you want to get your skin back, probably after a period of illness, or you know, after a course of antibiotics or overexposure to the sun. It is important that you get brightening serums that contains vitamin C, alpha arbutin, you know, niacinamide, you know, great ingredients. Okay, so you have to get serums that contain these ingredients. You can also get serums that contains vitamin E. They are going to help you a lot get back your complexion, and you're going to look really good. Now, the one I have here is the Vanish vitamin C serum. A lot of you guys have told me, Anna, vitamin C breaks me out, vitamin C breaks me out, niacinamide breaks me out. So if these skincare ingredients break you out, it means that it is not really suitable for your skin, because I'm really surprised when people say vitamin C breaks them out. I am like, how come? But in this skincare thing, different ingredients works for different people. So if you know that vitamin C is not good for you, you can go for niacinamide. If niacinamide is not good for you, you can use other serums like, you know, alpha arbutin, you know, other kojic acid serums. It would really, really help you. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this one. This one works for me. It is amazing and I love it. Okay, so this is the Vanish vitamin C serum. I would see if I still have the code. I'm going to put the code of this serum in my description box so that you guys can go ahead and, you know, place your order. Okay, so I'm going to just use 2 drops is enough because I have a lot of moisture on my face. Just 2 drops. One at my forehead. I'm going to put one at my palm, or in my palm rather, and then I'm just going to, you know, rub this all over my face. Okay, so the next product I'm going to go ahead to use my moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer of your choice, any moisturizer at all. I love this one from Jumiso. You guys, I am almost out of this moisturizer. This is the one that I always buy, coupled with the Vanish vitamin C face cream. I use the Vanish vitamin C face cream sometimes, or I go in with this Snail Jumiso moisturizer. It moisturizes my skin so well. Like I said earlier, sometimes it might not just be that your skin is dull, your skin might just have, you know, lost some moisture, so you need products that will hydrate your skin. So this doesn't brighten. Your serum is the one that will do the brightening, while your moisturizer is just there to, like, you know, cushion up your skin and, you know, just give you that glow. So I'm just going to use a little bit of my moisturizer. You guys, I'm struggling because of my nails. I'm going to use just a little bit. Yeah, I think this should do. I'm gonna do this, and the way my skin is so soft right now, you guys, my skin is so soft, so supple. You guys, I am in love with how my face feels right now. You guys, after this skincare routine, I'm just going to, like, go and watch Netflix, because this is a good skincare routine. If you do your routine like this, then girl, your brightness is going to come back. So I'm going to go ahead and use my sunscreen. You guys, my hands are so sticky. This is the Abib Quick Sun Stick. This is the one I use. You guys, it is so nice. It is so nice. I love it so much. I'm going to swipe this. I noticed these days I've been having a lot of under eye circles, and that is because I've been studying a lot at night time, so I've been having some dark circles. So I'm just going to focus my sunscreen under my eye, and then on my cheek, on my chin, around my nose area, and then on my forehead and my neck. So this is just a simple morning routine to help to get your glow back, to help to brighten up your skin in 2 weeks. If you consistently do your routine like this, even if you are just recovering from an illness, or, you know, illness or after taking some medications, you are definitely going to get your glow back. Now for your nighttime routine, you want to make sure you get a brightening soap. A brightening soap is going to help you get faster results. This is a morning routine, so we're not going to do a night routine in this video. Probably another video I will show you guys the night routine. You are going to make use of a brightening bar soap. Either you use Kojisan or you use Ashanti. Use any of these soaps and use them 2 to 3 times in a week at night time. Leave it on your face for 2 minutes. Repeat the process another day. You would notice that with time your glow would come back. And make sure you religiously use your sunscreen. Your sunscreen is going to really help you and you are going to maintain that glow. Okay, so you guys, we have come to the end of today's video. I have been taking breaks in between this video and I'm so happy that this video has come to an end. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying out this routine, or if you can relate to the fact that if you use some medications, it can actually make your skin go darker or even tan up your skin. Tell me in the comment section the next videos you would want me to make for you, and I will do my best to make that video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye guys.